So you're using a UFI USB diagnostic tool na USB type. So plug in natin. Then turn on. Then press F9 para mag-boot up tayo. F9 or F10 at boot menu. Okay. Entering setup. So dito we have the UFI General USB flash drive. Dito naka-install yung aking UFI diagnostic tool ng HP. Then down arrow, enter. Then we have dito is a system diagnostic F2. So ito yung gagamitin natin. I-diagnose natin siya. System diagnostic F2, enter. And then we have HP PC hardware diagnostic UFI tool natin. And of course, test. Ito tayo sa keyboard test kasi ang concern ng ating customer is may problema sa keyboard. Enter. The keyboard test provides an interactive test to determine if the keys on your keyboard functions properly. Bluetooth devices are not currently supported. Press any key, timer reach 0, each accompanying value to restart the timer. Certain keys will different value can caps lock or num-lock or enable. Testing or modified key should be, for example, Control A, Control V to test the control key. So continue natin. Press any key would you like to test except function. So press F2 key to cancel the test. Test will exit in key detected 1, 2. So lumalabas yung key kung okay. Backspace, okay. Home. Page setup. Caps lock. S. Shift P. Okay, pwede. Shift A. Okay, gumana yung shift. Control A. Gumana yung control F and out. Sa next window key. Alt F4. Pwede. Space bar, okay. Alt F5. Pwede. Control U. Yeah, pwede. Wala naman ako. Okay, so normally, okay naman yung keyboard. Actually, walang problema. The rest of the key. Okay, so test natin yung iba. System board test. Pass. Okay, so good yung ating power test, battery test. Storage test, EMZ and flash. Check. So dito natin ma-determine yung kapag may error or may ilalabas si HP PC hardware diagnostic UFI tool na problema, ilalabas talaga niya. So dito nakarely lahat ng technician natin sa HP. Kung may ilalabas na problem, then doon tayo. Pero so far yung test natin sa keyboard test, lahat naman gumagana. So we wait sa quick test natin sa HDD. Testing Revans, pass, lahat pass. So pass yung memory natin. Okay, so that's it yung paano mag-test. The rest using HP Hardware Diagnostic UFI, yun yung ating mga test using this tool. So thank you for watching, and that's how it is.